Hello everybody, welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So just a little tip of the day, if you guys ever have a problem with your Cadillac possibly maybe starting in gear, it's probably your neutral safety switch. This is one that we took out of an old Hearse that I have. This is probably your problem right here, this little plastic part, which this one we've already dissected. This breaks off. Caddy Daddy sells these for like $59 if you guys need one. But like I said, if your car starts in gear, it is probably because this broke off and it's over in the starting position, which is on this side. So like I said, you need to take that out, put a new one of those in. But I just wanted to show you guys this while it was dissected here. This is the one out of our 1960 limousine. My dad had to weld one of these tabs back on here so that it makes so that it connects and makes contact. So we cleaned our little contacts here. Also to make the horn work in our 1960 limousine. That was not working anymore. So we're going to get this put back together here. But I just wanted to show you guys that. Maybe it helps somebody out there. If you guys, like I said, if your car starts in gear, that's definitely a problem. So I just wanted to show you guys that, and hopefully this was helpful. So another problem too that I wanted to mention, if you guys don't have reverse lights, it might be another problem because the contacts, if it is in the starting position, it would need to slide over to the other side so that you have reverse lights. So ours in the 1960 limousine was bypassed, so we obviously knew there was a problem with this, so pull it out. Like I said, he had to weld the tab so that it holds the contacts in place and it can slide back and forth properly. And then, like I said, these they sell on Caddy Daddy if you guys need one to put yours back together. So, like I said, I hope that helps troubleshoot with something out there maybe. And if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments.